my big mound here that I have in the middle of my yard. If you guys remember, I had all the Brussels sprouts and carrots and tomatoes and just a whole lot growing on this mound. But I also had this big patch of daisies. What I want to do is I want to clean out this section here because this is where I'm going to be putting my spring bulbs, my flower bulbs for my bee and butterfly garden that I'm incorporating into our space for next season. But I have this beautiful daisy here, the Shasta daisy, and it comes back every year. It's a perennial, but it's huge and it's kind of in the fence line that I want to put here. So I want to move it. And I've already dug it up quite a bit to get it out, and it's huge. But I also want to split it up. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing to split up perennials like this, especially when they're huge. A lot of people tell you to give it a saw to cut it through. No, you want to give it a quick chop, whether you're doing it with a shovel or an axe. You want to quickly get through those roots as fast as you can to separate it, because you want to give it as least damage and at least the pain to the plant as possible, because its roots is its life system. So we want to give it a quick swipe with the shovel or the axe. As many times as we're going to go through, I'm going to try and split this into 4 chunks. So hopefully all 4 will survive. Chances are I'll probably get 3 for sure. So when you're moving your perennials and splitting them up, dig them up, get them all dug up. I even flipped away all the old stuff here because it was sticking out everywhere. It was huge. Look, there's still some more I didn't get out, but I loosened it all around here, and now I'm going to cut it in half before I move it. So I just want to show you guys real quick how you can move a giant bed of perennials like this if it's one plant, and separate it at the same time if you want. So like I said, I loosened it. Here, you won't be able to see much of me for a sec. Get her all out. You can see probably, I don't know if you can see, there's root system is huge on here. Super healthy. This has been established here for about 3 years, but it's just taking over and I need to get it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my shovel in the middle this way. I'm going to feel down there, and as quick as I can, right through. One swipe. I'm going to need to do it twice because it's quite wide. So but I'll follow my butt here. One swipe. There we go. So now I've got 2 chunks. Separate that. I got this one. So we'll do this one's still stuck in the ground. So I'll do the same thing. 1 quick chop through the middle. Then I'll have my 4 sections that I can move around into the yard. So it's really easy to move perennials. It's best to do it in spring or fall, like right now. That way they get a little, the fall is better, I'd say, because they get a little bit of establishment for the winter. But either way, as long as you get them as soon as the ground is movable, spring or now, get them moved, chopped up. And like this is huge, so I can split it up. And perennials, you know, they come back every year, so don't worry too much about damaging the top part. Just take care of the root system a little bit when you're moving it. So that's it, guys. I'm going to clean out this area. This is where I'm going to put all my bulbs for the bee and bed garden. And I'll show you that after I'm all done and complete. And I'll make a little video to show you how to plant those particular bulbs. It's a little different than your garlic or onion. So I'll show you guys that a little bit later or tomorrow. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.